Hello everybody, on this video we'll talk about end of month function in DAX. End of month function returns the last day of the month before or after a specified number of months. The syntax looks like EOMONTH, and you input in the date, and this second parameter is optional, so that lets you offset the number of months going into the future or in past months. So the example looks like this. So this part will be the date, and 0 determines, give me the end of months for the same date. So if we define something like 1, it will give us the end of month in the next month. So let's look this in action. So I have a continuous date, I have a calendar date, and if we add a EOMONTH function as a column, call it end of month and EOMONTH, and let's put this calendar auto date, and let's do 0. So you can see that for every date in the month of December, it's giving us 12/31, and in the previous month, for the month of November, the end of month would be 11/30 as expected. So you can calculate the end of next month. So all that changes is a parameter. So month, date, the calendar auto would be the table, and we pass in date, and we put in 1 for the number of months, and it gives us, for the date of 12/30, it returns 1/31, which is the end of next month. If you put a negative number, it will give us the end of previous month. So let's do that as well. Well, it's already done. So let me change that. All right, so that's how the function works. Pretty straightforward. So that's all for the video. Thank you.